Well, with the second wave raging across the country, an increase in the amount of hospitalization time as well as the severity of the cases this time, the claims that have come in for COVID-19 related health insurance scheme has spiked. Now, what we are understanding from the data that ET Now Access, which was compiled by the General Insurance Council of India, we understand that total claims received from the beginning of the pandemic till date stand at 23,715 crores, out of which claims were 12,133 crores have been settled across states. So this data is across states, giving us a breakup of how much claims have come in from each state and how much of that has been settled. If we take a look at the number of claims, 15.32 lakh claims have come in, out of which 12.59 lakh claims have been settled, which amounts to, in terms of the quantum, to around 12,133 crores. Now, remember this, in terms of percentage, this comes to only 51% of the amount of claims that have been settled and 82% in terms of the number of claims that have been settled. So, 51% of the amount, that means that 49% is still coming in from the pockets of customers and people who had sought these claims because of the impact of COVID-19. If we take a look at the top 5 states which have the highest number of claims reported, Maharashtra tops the list with claims worth 7,000 crores that have been reported, and claims settled stand at around 3,717 crores, followed by Gujarat with claims of over 2,400 crores coming in, and claims settled worth 1,300 crores, followed by Tamil Nadu, which is again 2,300 crores of claims that have come in, and claims worth 1,048 crores have been settled, followed by Karnataka and Telangana, both having claims of around 1,900 crores and 1,800 crores, with claims worth around 900 to 800 crores being settled by both the states. So the out-of-pocket ratio range for these top 5 states stands at anywhere between 43% to 56%. A large chunk is still being paid by people. One of the reasons, of course, is also that a lot of things that are required to battle COVID-19 are not really included in the fine print of these insurance policies. So that is also a concern that people have to look at while going and seeking these claims. Now, the claims have spiked across the industry. These numbers also show that we spoke to a few industry sources as well, who said that the companies are seeing quite a spike in the claims that have come in because of the second wave, and also because a lot more policies were sold in the last year as people became more aware of the requirement of health insurance, and the requirement has come in immediately considering how bad the second wave has been across the country. So companies are seeing an at least a 5 to 15% of rise in claims versus last year, and this was in the month of April. So April to April comparison wise, 5 to 15% is the minimum hike that companies have seen. And this has, even in comparison to the month of January, there's a big hike, because January was when things were much better and people were seeing a lot less impact of COVID-19. So claims have doubled at least from even that point in time, is what companies have told us. So at this point in time, what we have to watch out for is how this quarter goes for insurance companies, health insurance companies, and how much is the impact on their balance sheet as well, and how much of a payout is really happening to help people who have been fighting COVID-19.